Hello and welcome back to SEO Science. Today we have a topic that every business owner and marketer should be excited about: how to double your customers using SEO. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that can help you increase your online visibility and attract more potential customers to your website. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the technical aspects of SEO and give you a step-by-step guide to supercharge your customer acquisition. So if you're ready to turbocharge your business, let's go. Keyword research. Our first step into doubling your customers through SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. You need to identify the words and phrases your potential customers are using when searching for products or services like yours. Keyword research tools. To do this effectively, you'll need to use keyword research tools like Google's Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. These tools provide valuable insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords. Long-tail keywords. Additionally, don't forget about long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that can have less competition and can be easier to rank for. Competitor analysis. Analyzing your competitors can also help you discover valuable keywords. See what keywords your competitors are ranking for and identify gaps in your own strategy. On-page optimization. Once you have your keywords, it's time for step 2, which is on-page optimization. This involves optimizing your website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine result pages. On-page elements. Focus on optimizing your title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, H1, H2, H3, and image text with your targeted keywords. High quality content. High quality informative content is key. Create valuable user-friendly content that addresses the needs and questions of your target audience. Mobile optimization. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Google's mobile-first indexing means your site must be mobile-friendly for better rankings. Technical SEO. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty with technical SEO. This involves optimizing your website's technical aspects for search engines. Site speed. First, make sure your website loads quickly. Slow loading websites can harm your ranking and user experience. XML sitemap. Create and submit an XML sitemap to search engines. This helps them crawl and index your site more effectively. Robot.txt. Set up a robot.txt file to control which parts of your site search engines can access and index. HTTPS. And of course, ensure your site is secure with HTTPS, as Google prioritizes secure websites in the search results. Backlink building. Step 4 is all about building high-quality backlinks to your website. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable. Backlink strategies. Implementing strategies like guest posting, broken link building, and reaching out to influencers in your niche to earn backlinks. Link quality. Focus on quality, not quantity of backlinks. Just a few authoritative links are more valuable than many low-quality ones. Link diversity. Also aim for a diverse link profile from different sources and domains. Monitoring and adaptation. Our final step, and certainly not the least important, is monitoring and adaptation. SEO is an ongoing process. Analytical tools. Use analytical tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your website's performance. Rank tracking. Monitor your keyword rankings to see how your SEO efforts are paying off. Content updates. Regularly update and refresh your content to keep it relevant and engaging. Algorithm changes. stay informed about search engine algorithm updates, and adapt your strategy accordingly. And there you have it. Those are 5 steps to take to double your customers using SEO. It's essential to remember that SEO is a long-term strategy and results may not be immediate. However, with consistent attention and effort, these technical details can significantly boost your online visibility, attracting more customers and grow your business. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. If you have any questions or want to share your own SEO success stories, feel free to leave a comment below, as we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep optimizing and keep growing your online presence. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.